Here is the harness inside the car. If you'll notice here, quite a bit of wire for the radiator fan. That's because it's got a snake around the wheel well, of course. Here, of course, the charge plug for the battery and the 30 amp fuse here. If you notice, I left a lot of lead wire for the switches. And that's because if people run the car, none of the folks that have gotten the cars from me say they're gonna run them. But in case they do run them and something happens, whatever, and they need to get at something, they'll have plenty of room with wire and access to get to things to repair something, replace something if they tear something up. So anyway, it comes out over here, right? You'll see the plug here for the starter motor. Got to replace the different plug here. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, behind the scenes there. And this is a pretty rough, obviously, floor pan. I haven't done any work to it yet. Just wanted to get the wiring harness in. And I'll show you more wiring harnesses. Again, this is one of 4 for the car.